Now the first question says, if the mass of planet is 8 times the mass of the earth. So children, our data what you have, the new mass, the new planet or whatever, it is how much it is? 8 times the mass of the earth. Mass of the earth we are writing normally with capital M, and the radius, that is the new radius, is twice the radius of earth. So you can write down 2r. What will be the escape velocity for that planet? So आपका planet है v, उसकी जो escape velocity v escape we write down ना, but I will write down v1 escape. That is how much? That is what you are going to find it out. And children, it is a comparatively study. So what formula do you know? Solution. What you have? V escape. What is the formula? Anyone will say? Square root of 2m upon r. बराबर है ये नॉर्मल फॉर्मूला. This is for the earth. So v1 escape will be what? Square root of 2g m1 upon r1. Correct? उसका मास, उसका रेडियस. Is it clear? So v1 escape is equal to square root of 2g. What is m1? 8m, right? And what is r1? 2r. See, up till now I have not used any substitution, only this simple remaining. Now this 2 and 2 will get cancelled, right? So what you will have here? 8gm upon r. Right? Now you can write down this 8 as 2 into 4. Why I am writing 2 into 4, children? Anyone can think of? This is what?
Because of square root.
Gm upon 8 is the
For taking square root.
Isn't it? So that will be, I can write down square root of 4 into square root of 2gm upon r. What is the square root of 4? 2. And what is this? Escape velocity of the earth. Now children, if you know the escape velocity of earth, anyone knows? In the chapter we had the calculations directly. What is the answer of 2gm upon r? .11. Nobody remembers? Here you have V escape is equal to 2gm upon r. उसका calculation का answer दिया, you can see it here. It is 11.18 into 10 raised to 3 meter per second. It is page number 141. So directly, if you remember that answer, so you can write down 2 into multiply by 11.18 into 10 raised to 3. So answer will be 22.36 into 10 raised to 3. So children, see, we don't have to do calculation, big calculation. If you remember the answer for earth, and we are having of the earth, so हम लोग का earth का तो मालूम होना ही चाहिए ना, right? So your answer will be 22.36 into 10 raised to 3 meter per second, or you can write down in the kilometers. लिखना है तो 22.36 kilometers per second. Got it? See, the sum became so simple. because I am substituting this value directly. Got it? Please write it down in your notebook. This is a simple way you can do this particular sum. Now I'll move on to the second sum. Written this one. Now in a similar manner, second sum also we will try to solve. How much times a satellite in an orbit at a height of 35,780 kilometers. See, high orbit, right? 35,780 kilometers above the Earth's surface would take if the mass of the Earth would have been 4 times its original mass. So our new mass is what? 4 times the original mass. So what changes is done? M1 is equal to 4 times M. That is only the changes done. And what you are supposed to find out? You are supposed to find out the new time. Correct? So as we did this way, in a similar manner the rest sum also we will be doing. I hope everybody knows about the time period taken. आपको कितना लगता है? 24 hours ना 35. You have this particular sum on page number 139. On page number 139, you got a time period. T is equal to 23 hours and 54 minutes. That is approximately equal to, you can say as 24 hours. So that was a time period. So we will be using in a similar way and try to find out when the mass is 4 times. So let us do it. So children, solution, as you all are knowing it, that velocity is nothing but square root of gm upon r plus h, right? So now here new velocity, this is about the earth, and that answer we are knowing it, that you are going to get 3.08 kilometers per second directly from page number 139. Already the calculations are there, so learn those values, right? So this is what is the velocity. So now new velocity will be square root of 2. Now instead of m I will write down 4m upon r plus h. बाकी सब तो सेम है, तो क्या हो जाएगा? 4 का 2 will come out and then you will have square root of gm upon r plus h, and this value you know, so it will be 2 into 3.08. Right? So you can have 6.16 kilometers per second. डायरेक्ट आंसर इसका V1 का आ गया. ओके, वंस यू गेट इट, so what you have children, velocity is nothing but the distance upon time, right? So what you have normally, distance कितना होता है कवर? 2 pi r with the velocity v. Now here t, distance upon v is equal to, so what is t? T is nothing but 2 pi r upon v, है ना? So this is for the earth, and what is the answer of it? You have approximately 24 hours. ओके, दिस इज अबाउट द अर्थ, यू नो इट, कि हम लोग को हाई अर्थ ऑर्बिट के अंदर 24 आता है, इज सेम एज द अर्थ पीरियड ऑफ रोटेशन. सो नाउ माई न्यू वन विल बी 2 pi r upon new v1. New one v1 is how much? This old v1 multiplied by 2, isn't it? So 2 pi r upon 2 into, we got this na, 2 into v. Now this value you know, this value already you are knowing. So it is 1 upon 2 into 24 hours. So that will be equal to 24 का आधा, approximately equal to 12 hours. See, the sum became so simple. So if you wanted to find out the velocity, you can find out the velocity in this way. ठीक है, ये और डायरेक्टली टाइम पीरियड पे है तो ये ऐसे भी कर सकते हो. So I shown you a shortcut way. When they say ना कि मास डबल हुआ, ट्रिपल हुआ, 4 times हुआ, so this is a shortcut way you can use. But for that you should know about the earth. And instead of learning all those big calculation, it's better to learn these small values. For example, t 24 hours, v is 3.08 kilometers per second, and escape velocity 11.2. So like that, some values you are going to by heart, then the sum becomes easy. Shall we go toward the third sum? So this new way of doing the sum will become easier, and as the values are given in the textbook, they cannot deny it, and you are using it, the things which are provided to you in the textbook, so they can't say no to you. Now let us move on to the third question. The height of satellite completing one revolution around the earth in t second is h1 meter. Then what will be the height of satellites taking 2√2 seconds for one revolution? So our new time period is 2 times 2√2 times t. 2 root को सिंपल करोगे तो √8 हो जाएगा. So if you go take it inside, so whatever I will find convenient, I will write it down. So now for this, for the height h1 we have t seconds, right? So what will we have? Solution. This is a given thing, huh? And you have to find out what is h2. Suppose this is 2, and you have to find out that. Okay. I'm using the same suffix. New t1 is equal to t1. You can understand. Old say new wala 2√2 times hai. So now, children, what is t? T is equal to 2 pi r upon vc. And what is vc? See, now here this r is nothing but r plus h. हाइट दिया है ना, तो वहाँ पे वो h1 वो लेंगे पहले में, अपॉन स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ gm अपॉन r प्लस h1 के लिए ये हो जाएगा. करेक्ट? नाउ यू जस्ट टेक दिस अप so that it becomes simpler. So children, this is not in square root, but this is in the square root. So I can write down that t is equal to 2 pi. अभी यहाँ पे देखो, check this. इसको मैं स्क्वायर लिख सकती हूँ. स्क्वायर है तो ऑटोमेटिकली स्क्वायर और स्क्वायर रूट कट होकर बाहर आ जाएगा ना. अपॉन सी चिल्ड्रन 2 gm I am writing here, and this I am taking up. Are you getting me? अपॉन के अपॉन में है तो ऊपर चला जाएगा, तो मैं यहाँ पे 3 कर दूँ. So this has become 3. Correct? So this is what is about the first. Now what is the height? H2 is in, we have given that height H2 in 2 root 2 t times seconds. So for that what will be there? It will be 2 root 2 t is equal to 2 pi. Now here what will come? Instead of H1 it will be H2. So R plus H2 का cube upon GM है ना? So this is your say equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Now children, you take a comparison, take a ratio, तो automatically t और ये सब cancel हो जाएगा. So just take the ratio. So 1 divide by 2. Okay. So t upon 2 root 2t is equal to 2 pi square root of r plus h1 the whole cube upon g square root of gm divide by 2 pi square root of r plus h2 the whole cube upon square root of gm. Now what is division? Division is multiplication by its reciprocal. ठीक है, तो मैं वही करती हूँ यहाँ पे. So t upon 2 root 2t, यहाँ पे root 8 लिख दूँ. तो यहाँ पे क्या है? 2 pi square root of r plus h1 the whole cube upon square root of gm multiplied by square root of gm upon 2 pi square root of r plus h2 the whole cube. क्या क्या कैंसिल होगा? ये gm स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ gm कैंसिल हो गया, 2 pi कैंसिल हो गया, right? So what you are left with? तुम्हारे पास ये टी भी कैंसिल हो जाएगा, तो 1 अपॉन रूट 8 बचेगा. सो 1 अपॉन रूट 8 इज इक्वल टू स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ r प्लस h1 द होल क्यूब अपॉन स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ r प्लस h2 द होल क्यूब. अब यहाँ पे सब जगह पे स्क्वायर रूट है, तो मैं टेकिंग स्क्वायर ऑन बोथ द साइड्स. So what you will left with? 1 upon 8 is equal to r plus h1 the whole cube upon r plus h2 the whole cube. अब देखो यहाँ पे भी क्यूब है, यहाँ पे तो मैं क्यूब रूट ले लूँ. Taking cube root. So taking cube root on both sides. So 1 upon 2 is equal to r plus h1 upon r plus h2. Now you can do the cross multiplication, children. So r plus h2 is equal to 2 times r plus h1. So open the bracket. R plus h2 is equal to 2r plus 2h2. Right? So what will be your h2? Your h2 will be 2r minus r plus 2h2. So h2 is equal to r plus 2 times h1. So that is what your answer is. R plus 2h1.